Alright, so it's Ricky Repairs back at again. What we need to do is replace the headlight bulb right here on the newer ones. They'll have the control for the low beam and the high beam, but this one has it separately. Alright, just gonna turn it on to show you. Low beam, high beam. So the light bulb that we're replacing is this one right here. Just gonna turn on the light. Alright, just gonna replace the light bulb. Alright, so there's 3 10mm that's holding it. This headlight assembly. 1, 2, 3 right here, but this one is already broken. Alright, just go to remove those. Alright, just go to remove them. The one on the bottom right here. Alright, after that, just go to wiggle it. Just come right off. Alright, so there's 4 Phillips that's holding this cover right here. You have to remove that in order to get to the headlight right here. Alright, just gonna remove those Phillips. So there's 1 right here. 1, 2, 3. 4th one is in the bottom right here. Right here. Alright, just gonna remove those 4. The last one right here, by the looks of it, it's not there no more. So there's the last one in the bottom right here. I'm just going to remove that. So the light bulb that we're replacing is this one right here. So all you have to do is, this little wires are not holding, but this little hook, just going to press it down. I don't know if you can really see that. Put our Phillips to the side. Alright, so this little hook right here, all you have to do is press it down, then push it to the side, just like that. This little one wire right here from that little hook, same thing on the other side. Just go and press it down, push it to the side. After that, just go and pull it out. Just move it to the side like that. The light bulb you want is this one right here. Alright, just go to remove this. Just that easy. As you can see, this one is broken. Alright, just go and get the new one. Alright, so you can see this one has it. This is the new one. This is the old one, it's broken. Alright, let's go and install it. Just remember this little hook right here. It's gonna go on, where is it? On this side. Alright, just gonna put it back on. Push this back. Go and reinstall it. Let it sit right there. Go ahead and hook this back on. The little hooks. Just like that. As you can see, it's hooked back on. Last thing to do is go ahead and plug this back on. This connection. Alright, so before we install everything, let's go ahead and test it. High beam. Alright, so there you have it. Just gonna put everything back on. gonna plug this back in. This cover, plastic cover. Gonna reinstall the rest. The last one, well, not really the last one. The last one's on the bottom right here, but this one didn't have it. Just gonna get this one on the side. All right, so there you have it. Just gonna realign it to reinstall it. Alright, so same thing. Just go ahead and tighten it 10 millimeters. Alright, just go ahead and tighten those. Alright, so I forgot to mention the two ones on the bottom right there. One right there and the one over there. They're the shorter ones, as you can see right here. And the very top right here is the longer one, as you can see. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.